Hi friends, welcome to my channel Mathematics Lessons with Sharif. In this video we are going to see a simple basic concept of physics called value of acceleration due to gravity denoted by small g. So what is acceleration due to gravity? It is the acceleration produced by the Earth's gravitational force on a freely falling body. Its value is constant irrespective of the weight of the body falling. So that is what we are going to see now. देखिए बच्चों, हम g की वैल्यू फाइंड करने जा रहे हैं. तो मान लो ये यहाँ पर जो आप बड़ा सर्कल देख रहे हैं वो एक एर्थ है और एर्थ के सरफेस के नियर एक स्मॉल बॉडी मैंने लिया. आप इसको एक फुटबॉल मान सकते हैं या एक एप्पल मान सकते हैं, कोई भी मान सकते हैं. इट इज़ नियर द एर्थ सरफेस. इसका मास मैं स्मॉल m लेता हूँ. लेट अस सपोज द मास ऑफ दिस स्मॉल बॉडी इज स्मॉल m. ओके, and let us suppose the mass of this earth is capital M, and the force of attraction between this body and this earth, and the attraction is caused by the gravitational pull. That force of attraction F is given by G capital M small m upon R square. G is called gravitational constant and m is the mass of the earth and small m is mass of the small body we are under observation, and R is the radius of the earth. Radius means distance measured from center to the surface. This is our capital R. So when compared to this R, this length is very small. That's why we will neglect this length. To consider the distance between the two bodies, we will take the distance as radius. Okay, the distance between the centers as radius of the earth. So that's why we get this formula F equal to Gmm upon R square. But F is nothing but the force acting on the body's, this small body. But according to Newton's second law, force is nothing but m into a, but a is nothing but acceleration due to gravity, so I will take F equal to mg. So F equal to mg equal to capital G m small m upon R square. Now if I cancel small m here, so the value of g that we are getting here equal to capital G small capital M upon R square. If you know these values G, capital M and capital R, you can easily find the value of acceleration due to gravity at the Earth's surface. And in the beginning I have already written the values of G, M and R like here. Just have a look at these values. In the first line I have written the mass of the Earth capital M is given by 5.98 into 10 power 24 kg, and radius of the Earth's capital R is given by 6.4 into 10 power 6 meters, and the value of gravitational constant capital G is 6.673 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Okay, so if you know this formula G equal to Gm upon R square, you can find the value of G. Now I will show you how to get the value here. So if you are familiar with this formula, I am going to rub these things. Okay, so I just need this formula. What is the formula we are having for G? So I am rubbing this diagram also because I don't need this one anymore. So I am going to write the formula here for G. So G equal to capital G capital M upon R square. Now the value of G is 6.673 multiplied by 10 power minus 11. It is Newton meter square kg power minus 2 means per kg square multiplied by mass of the earth is 5.98. So 5.98 multiplied by 10 power 24 kg upon R square. R square means radius का whole square 6.4 into 10 power 6 multiplied by the same value again 6.4 multiplied by 10 power 6. Now here we are getting meter square, because meter into meter it will become meter square. Now we have to simplify this value. I use the calculator here to write the values, so please stay connected, don't go anywhere. So if you multiply 6.673 you also can do the same thing in your calculator, multiplied by 5.98 you are getting as 39.90. So it is 39.90454 and the units for the numerator are, and here you are having 10 power 24 and 10 power minus 11, 10 power 6, 10 power 6, 10 power 12, and this 10 power 12 will get cancelled in 10 power 24 10 power 12 times, and 10 power 12 multiplied by 10 power minus 11 will become 10, and when this is multiplied by 10 it becomes 339. So I will remove this dot 39 point, so it becomes 399 point, so it is 399.0454, and this units will become Newton meter square. This is kg power minus 2 and this is kg, so it becomes kg power minus 1 upon, it is 6.4 into 6.4. I will do that thing also, please wait. 6.4 into 6.4 will become 6.4 multiplied by 6.4 equal to 40.96. It is 40.96. It is meter square. You can cancel meter square, meter square. Now I will simplify this value, the quotient 399.0454 divided by 40.96 equal to, I am getting this value as 9.74231, so on 9.74231 and so many digits are there, but we need this enough, and this is Newton kg power minus 1. So Newton kg power, Newton means the value of Newton is kg per meter per second square. So I am converting this Newton kg meter per second minus 2. Okay, this is the value of 1 Newton multiplied by kg power minus 1. So the value will become, if I round this value to 9.8 to make it a fixed value, constant value, 9.8 kg power minus 1 and kg will get cancelled, meter per second inverse, second power minus 2, yeah, meter per second square. So this is the value of G on the surface of the earth, irrespective of the value of the m, small m of the falling body. So I hope you understand this value of G. If you like this video, please share with your friends, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Good luck. It's Sharif Sir signing off.